Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your email account permanently from your phone. Actually, sometimes we create lots of email account for some reason, and in later maybe we don't use all of them. So that's why maybe we need to delete that email account permanently. So if you follow my video that time, I will show you the easiest process for deleting your email account permanently. So before starting that process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So if you only delete this email application from there, if you uninstall this email application, then you will not delete your email account, okay? It's just delete email application. So for deleting your email account, just first of all go to Play Store and then make sure your email application is already up to date, okay? So after updating your email application, just open it, and if you already have your number in this email application, then it's good, but if you don't have, then just log in your email number into this email application. So after login your email number, you can see in the right corner one profile icon. My is blank, so you will see your profile picture. So just click on it, and after that click here settings option, okay? And then click here account and security. After that you can see delete email account. So for deleting your email account, just click on it, just delete email account, and after deleting your account, the following data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered, okay? Your profile and chat history, your contact list and groups, your virtual asset like diamonds, beans and badges, and your email premium data. Everything will be gone, okay? So whatever, just click to apply to delete, and you can see choose delete region, okay? So you can choose any one of them. So I want to choose this one. I change my number, and you can see in here log out and continue to delete. So you will need to click on the continue to delete option, and you need to give that email number, okay? So if you don't remember it, then just get back from here and let me show you. You can see in the first position, this is my email number, okay? I just made it. So just remember that phone number, and let me write that number in here. So after writing that number, just click here blue tick arrow and wait for a few seconds, agree and delete, and just scroll down and wait for 12 seconds, 10 seconds, and after that just click here agree and delete option. And are you sure you want to apply to delete your account? Just click here delete option, and your account has been deleted, okay? You just delete your email account permanently. So through this easiest process, you can delete your email account permanently. So thank you.